Welcome to another episode of Great Deals on Used Yachts. Today I present this 1981 Islander 36, a classic sailboat available for just 27,000 euros. With an overall length of 10.62 meters, a 3.4 meter beam, and a 1.6 meter draft, it displaces 11 tons and offers impressive stability at sea. Its 35 horsepower Perkins inboard diesel engine ensures reliable cruising, with 150 liters of fuel capacity and 200 liters of fresh water. Powell's 36 from 1976, a flybridge gem priced at 36,500 euros. It measures 10.36 meters in length, with a 3.65 meter beam, making it perfect for coastal adventures. Powered by two Sabre engines, delivering 420 horsepower each, for a total of 840 horsepower. With only 1 hour of use per engine, they are ready for immediate action. In perfect working condition, it blends classic charm with modern functionality, featuring a durable fiberglass hull and an electric anchor for easy anchoring. It offers 2 cabins and 1 bathroom, ideal for getaways with a partner or friends. Artaban F27 from 2006, a versatile boat priced at 33,000 euros. With an overall length of 9 meters and a 3.03 meter beam, it is agile and well-suited for water skiing and fishing. Powered by a 260 horsepower Yanmar inboard diesel engine, with 2,200 hours, it delivers reliable performance, supported by 2 340-liter fuel tanks and a 100-liter fresh water tank. The boat offers 1 cabin and a bathroom with a holding tank, providing basic comfort. A key highlight is its energy setup. A 200-watt solar system, a 2,300-watt inverter, and a 100-amp-hour gel battery, allowing autonomous trips with both 12-volt and 220-volt power outlets. J-Boats J/80 from 2005, a sporty sailboat priced at 28,000 euros. With an overall length of 8 meters, a 2.49 meter beam, and a minimum draft of 1.5 meters, it is trailerable and versatile for racing or leisure sailing. It is powered by an 8-horsepower Mercury outboard engine with direct drive and a 3-blade aluminum propeller, making maneuvering easy. The deep V-shaped hull cuts efficiently through waves and is built from durable fiberglass. Easy to handle for both beginners and experienced sailors, it features a fixed bulb keel for stability and a self-draining cockpit for added safety. Ideal for a crew of 2 to 5 people, it comes with a fully battened mainsail, jib, furling genoa, spinnaker, and optional gennaker. Beneteau First 31.7 from 2005, a cruiser racer sailboat priced at 38,500 euros. With an overall length of 9.61 meters, a 3.23 meter beam, and a 1.9 meter draft, it features a well-balanced Groupe Finot design optimized for performance. Powered by a Yanmar 3YM20 inboard diesel engine with sail drive and a 2-blade propeller, it has 800 engine hours and underwent a full overhaul in July 2024 for maximum reliability. The boat is in excellent condition, with anti-fouling done in 2023, new batteries installed in 2024, and renewed seals. It offers 2 double cabins and 1 bathroom with shower and marine toilet, comfortably accommodating 4 people. Its unique advantage is the energy autonomy system, combining a 120-watt solar panel with a Watt&C hydro generator, ideal for long passages. It is equipped with NKE electronics, VHF with AIS. Malo 40 from 1984, a robust Swedish sailboat priced at 39,500 euros. It measures 9.55 meters in length, 3.05 meters in beam, and has a 1.35 meter draft, with a displacement of 4,600 kilograms for excellent stability. Powered by a 28 horsepower Volvo Penta 2003 inboard diesel engine with 2,500 hours, it reaches 7 knots and is equipped with a 120-liter fuel tank. In very good condition for its age, it has seen light use and features an immaculate fiberglass hull. The layout includes 2 cabins and 1 bathroom, convertible into a wet cell, providing sleeping space for 4. The warm mahogany interior offers a U-shaped convertible saloon, a longitudinal galley, and ample storage throughout. Its standout advantage is the centerboard keel, allowing versatility in shallow waters, along with a self-tacking jib rig for easy handling. Electronics include a Raymarine ES7 chart plotter, EV200 autopilot, Lowrance VHF, Silva depth sounder, and VDO wind instruments. Sail inventory includes a Gennaker, jib, Genoa, furling system, and storm sail. Dufour 32 Classic from 1999, an elegant French sailboat priced at 39,500 euros. With an overall length of 9.96 meters, a 3.30 meter beam, and a 1.30 meter draft, it displaces 4,351 kilograms with 1,200 kilograms of ballast, ensuring stable and comfortable sailing. It is powered by a 19-horsepower Volvo Penta MD 2020D inboard diesel engine with sail drive, serviced recently in 2024. The boat is in tidy, well-equipped condition and is ideal for easy handling. It features 2 cabins and a saloon with 4 to 6 berths, along with 1 bathroom fitted with a shower and a manual Jabsco toilet. The classic interior includes blue upholstery, plenty of natural light, and generous storage. The galley is well equipped with an Eno stove, oven, sink, and refrigerator. Its key advantage is Glacier 40 from 1995, a sturdy sailing yacht priced at 25,000 euros. It has an overall length of 12 meters, a beam of 3.8 meters, and a maximum draft of 1.1 meters, featuring a steel hull for extreme durability. Powered by an 85 horsepower Ford Lehman 2712E diesel engine, it is ready for adventure. In good maintained condition, it has a stainless steel superstructure that reduces upkeep. 3 cabins provide ample space, although bathroom details are not specified. Its unique advantage is the retractable keel, allowing access to shallow waters without sacrificing performance in deeper areas, making it ideal for versatile exploration. While detailed electronics or sail information are not provided, the design prioritizes strength and stability for coastal cruising. Built by Glacier, it is an economical option for those seeking power and flexibility. Contessa 32 from 1972, an iconic sailing yacht priced at 38,078 euros. With an overall length of 9.75 meters, a 2.92 meter beam, and a 1.68 meter draft, it offers exceptional seaworthiness for ocean cruising. Powered by a 20 horsepower Beta 20 diesel engine with only 250 hours, It delivers reliable performance with direct drive and a bronze propeller. Meticulously maintained, with a survey available from June 2025. The interior features 2 cabins and 1 bathroom with warm teak, providing comfortable accommodation. Its unique advantage is the timeless Jeremy Rogers design, ideal for long passages, with superior stability thanks to its long keel. Recent upgrades include a new mast, full rig, 200-watt solar system, LED lighting, and a renewed electrical panel. Equipped with autopilot, a new furling system, nearly new Origo stove, updated Jabsco toilet, and many extras such as life jackets, flares, and an inflatable dinghy. Amazon 1150 from 2003. A robust steel yacht priced at €25,000. It measures 11.50 meters in length, 3.65 meters in beam, and has a draft of 1.8 meters, with a displacement of 9,000 kilograms for solid performance on long voyages. Powered by a 70-horsepower Soleil Mini 74 diesel engine with only 400 hours, featuring a 3-blade bronze propeller. Almost ready to set sail, it is free of rust and mostly fitted with new equipment. The single-hull stainless steel construction prioritizes safety. Its standout advantage is being ideal for extended cruising or as a floating residence, offering stable value and potential appreciation. Electronics include a depth sounder, 60 nautical mile radar, chart plotter, autopilot, VHF, AIS, GPS, flat-screen TV, and Wi-Fi. The interior is equipped with a dishwasher, washing machine, microwave, air conditioning, heating, fridge, and freezer. Rodman 670 from 2005. A coastal fishing boat priced at €20,614. It measures 6.37 meters in length, 2.41 meters in beam, and has a 0.76 meter draft, featuring a semi-displacement hull for stability. Powered by a 75-horsepower Volvo Penta D275 diesel engine with 281 hours, direct drive, and a 3-blade propeller. Well presented, with recent anti-fouling and up-to-date maintenance. It has 1 cabin with 2 V-berths and a chemical WC, providing basic shelter. Its key advantage is a safe platform for up to 4 anglers, featuring a self-draining cockpit, high freeboard, and spacious decks. Ideal for coastal trips or weekend outings. Electronics include a Garmin EchoMap SV plotter, GPS Map 178C sonar, and Navman 7100 VHF. Cobalt 222 from 2008. A sports boat priced at €16,000. With a length of 6.87 meters and a beam of 2.69 meters, its deep V-shaped fiberglass hull ensures excellent maneuverability and stability. Powered by a 270-horsepower Volvo Penta 5.0 GXISX gasoline engine with 988 hours, capable of speeds over 45 knots. In solid, used condition, it comfortably accommodates 8 to 10 people in the open bow. Its unique advantage is an aerodynamic design ideal for water sports like skiing or wakeboarding, offering efficient fuel consumption and ergonomic comfort. Electronics include a Garmin depth sounder, CD radio, VHF, and cockpit speakers. Exterior features include a cockpit shower, table, swim ladder, rear swim platform, optional bimini, and integrated storage compartments. It has a hydraulic steering system and safe flotation. Robalo R265 Walkaround from 2016. A versatile boat priced at €38,000. It measures 7.95 meters in length, 2.74 meters in beam, and has a maximum draft of 0.81 meters, with a deep V-shaped hull for smooth wave cutting. Powered by two 197-horsepower Evinrude E200 gasoline engines, totaling 394 horsepower. With only 245 hours, it is in perfect condition and ready for marine outings. The boat features one bathroom with WC and a full cabin with a live well. Its standout advantage is multifunctionality, suitable for both fishing and cruising, with removable aft seats that convert into a bait station and plenty of space for the crew. Electronics include a depth sounder, radar, log, chart plotter, compass, GPS, cockpit speakers, and VHF. Interior features an electric bilge pump, hot water, and battery charger. Exterior includes cockpit cushions. Tank capacities: 590 liters fuel, 90 liters fresh water, 37 liters holding tank. Copino Laout 44 from 1986. An iconic Mediterranean boat priced at €24,900. Measuring 8.98 meters in length and 2.97 meters in beam, its sturdy polyester hull ensures durability without leaks. Powered by two 72-horsepower Mercedes SM616 diesel engines, totaling 144 horsepower, with 1,000 hours, offering low fuel consumption and easy maintenance via direct drive and bronze propellers. In excellent working condition and ready to sail, with potential for cosmetic updates. It features one cabin and a bathroom with a marine WC, accommodating up to 6 people. Its unique advantage is the traditional charm of the Catalan Laout, built in the Balearic Islands, perfect for efficient coastal cruising. Equipped with a compass, cockpit shower, swim ladder, electric windlass, large fridge, double sink, portable stove, and 12-volt electrical system. Tanks: 150 liters of fuel and fresh water. Etap 28 from 1991. A compact sailboat priced at €17,500. It measures 8.53 meters in length, 3.12 meters in beam, and has a draft of 1.52 meters, making it perfect for shallow waters. Powered by an 18-horsepower Volvo diesel engine, it provides reliable support for maneuvering. In charming condition, used only for day sails and local cruising, it's ready for immediate adventures. Its standout advantage is the shallow keel for easy access, combined with a comfortable sail plan. Fully battened mainsail with lazy jacks, furling genoa, and spinnaker for extra performance. Electronics include a depth sounder, log, wind instruments, chart plotter, autopilot, compass, GPS, and VHF. Built with a durable fiberglass hull. Key update: standing rigging renewed in 2018. Ideal for beginners or experienced sailors seeking safe and fun coastal getaways.